If you're under 60, pay close attention because what you do now determines how you look then. Let's fix this. Habit number 8, ignoring ear and nose hair. The detail that ruins everything. Let's start with the one nobody wants to talk about, but everybody notices: ear and nose hair. It sounds minor. It sounds almost too simple to matter. But here's the reality. This single grooming oversight can take a clean, distinguished-looking man and make him look like he's completely given up. And it's not your fault. After 50, hormonal shifts, specifically changes in testosterone, cause hair follicles in the nose and ears to become dramatically more active. Hair that was barely visible in your 40s suddenly becomes impossible to ignore in your 60s. The fix is simple. Invest in a dedicated nose and ear trimmer. Not scissors, not your beard trimmer. A rotary-style trimmer designed specifically for this purpose. Brands like Panasonic, Philips Norelco, and Braun make excellent options between $15 and $50. Use it once a week, every week. No exceptions. Make it part of your Sunday reset routine. It takes 60 seconds. The difference it makes is enormous. The kind of man who handles the details, all of them, is the kind of man people describe as sharp. Be that man. Habit number 7. Using the wrong shampoo for aging hair. Here's a question. When did you last change your shampoo? Not the brand, not the scent, the actual formula. For most men, the answer is never. They've been using the same 2-in-1 drugstore shampoo since their 30s, and that's a problem. Here's what happens to hair as you age. It becomes finer, drier, and more fragile. The scalp produces significantly less natural oil. The hair shaft itself becomes thinner. And when you wash aging hair with a sulfate-heavy stripping shampoo, the kind designed for thick, oily, youthful hair, you're essentially washing away the last reserves of moisture your hair has left. The result? Hair that looks flat, dull, thin, and lifeless. Hair that announces your age before you say a word. The fix: switch to a shampoo specifically formulated for aging, fine, or thinning hair. Look for key ingredients on the label. Biotin for strengthening, collagen for volume, keratin for smoothness, and hydrating agents like argan oil or glycerin. Brands like Biolage, Nioxine, and Kerastase offer excellent options ranging from $12 to $35. Your hair is part of your identity. Treat it like it matters, because it does. Habit number 6, neglecting the eyebrows. If the eyes are the windows to the soul, eyebrows are the window frames, and a badly maintained frame ruins the whole picture. As men age, eyebrows do one of two things, or sometimes both at the same time. They become wiry, overgrown, and wild, or they become patchy and uneven. Either way, ungroomed eyebrows on a man over 60 make the face look heavy, tired, and unkempt, even if everything else is perfectly in order. This is one of the most immediate visual aging cues on the male face. And yet, it's almost universally ignored by men over 50. The fix: you don't need to wax, thread, or reshape your brows dramatically. You simply need to maintain them. A small eyebrow trimmer or grooming scissors with a comb attachment takes 2 minutes. Trim any hairs that grow significantly longer than the rest. Clean up the space between the brows if needed. That's it. If you want a more defined result, especially if your brows are patchy, visit a barber or grooming salon once a month. More and more men's barbers now offer brow grooming as a standard service. And once you try it, you'll wonder why you waited so long. The simplest upgrades are often the most powerful. This is one of them. Habit number 5, skipping moisturizer or using the wrong one. Dry skin doesn't just look older, it announces it. Let's talk about the word that still makes some men uncomfortable: moisturizer. Here's the reality. After 50, your skin produces significantly less collagen and sebum, the natural oils that keep skin supple, smooth, and firm. What's left is skin that's drier, thinner, and far more prone to visible lines, dullness, and sagging. And when you don't actively counteract that process with a moisturizer, your skin tells the whole story of your age, and then some. Here's the mistake most men make. They either skip it entirely, or they borrow their partner's heavy, fragrance-loaded cream that's designed for a completely different skin type. Neither works. The fix: a men's SPF moisturizer in the morning. That's step one, and honestly, it might be all you need. Look for formulas containing hyaluronic acid, which pulls moisture deep into the skin, peptides, which signal your skin to produce more collagen, and at least SPF 30, because UV exposure is the single biggest accelerant of visible aging. At night, if you want to go one step further, a simple retinol or vitamin C serum applied before bed works while you sleep to repair and renew. Great options exist at every price point, from $15 drugstore picks like CeraVe or Neutrogena to $40, $60 premium formulas from brands like Kiehl's or Lumen, built specifically for men. Habit number 4, wearing an outdated beard or mustache style. Your beard style is stuck in the wrong decade. A beard can be one of the most powerful grooming assets a man over 60 has. Silver and salt and pepper facial hair, when properly maintained, communicates authority, distinction, and masculine confidence. It's one of the great advantages of aging well. But the key phrase there is properly maintained. Certain beard styles that had their moment in the 1970s and 80s, the thick horseshoe mustache, the overgrown full beard with no structure, the chin strap, now visually age a man by a decade or more, not because they're gray, but because the shape and volume pull the face downward, emphasizing jowls and adding heaviness where you want lift. The fix: modern beard shaping for mature faces, focuses on structure and neckline clarity above everything else. A well-defined neckline, trimmed about 2 finger widths above your Adam's apple, immediately lifts the lower face and jawline. Keep the cheek line natural but clean. If your beard is full, keep it shaped and conditioned. If it's patchy, opt for a short, even stubble look rather than an uneven, thin beard that reads as neglect. Visit your barber every 3 to 4 weeks for a professional shape-up and maintain the neckline yourself between visits. The right beard on the right face doesn't just make you look younger, it makes you look powerful. Habit number 3, poor dental and smile hygiene. The one thing people notice before anything else. You can have the perfect haircut, the right beard, a great skincare routine, but if your smile is working against you, none of it matters as much as it should. Dental aging is one of the most common and most overlooked grooming issues men face after 60. Decades of coffee, tea, red wine, and natural wear result in yellowing and staining that becomes dramatically more visible as gum lines recede slightly with age. The result is a smile that looks tired, dull, and significantly older than the rest of you. The fix starts with the basics. Upgrade to an electric toothbrush if you haven't already. Studies consistently show electric toothbrushes remove up to 21% more plaque than manual brushing. Brands like Oral-B and Philips Sonicare offer solid entry-level options starting at around $30. Add a whitening toothpaste to your daily routine. Options like Colgate Optic White or Arm & Hammer contain gentle abrasives and whitening agents that gradually lift surface stains without damaging enamel. For faster results, whitening strips like Crest 3D White Strips offer noticeable improvement within 10-14 days for around $35–50. A great smile doesn't just make you look younger, it makes you unforgettable. Habit number 2, getting the wrong haircut for your hair density and face. The haircut that's aging you and the one that won't. Nothing changes a man's appearance faster than the right haircut, and nothing ages a man faster than the wrong one. For men over 60, the most common mistakes are the comb-over, using longer hair on top to cover thinning areas, and keeping hair too long overall when density has significantly reduced. Both of these choices draw more attention to hair loss, not less. They also create a dated, heavy silhouette that adds years to the face. The fix: embrace the texture and characteristics of your hair as it is now, not as it was 20 years ago. For thinning hair, shorter cuts with texture on top create the illusion of fullness and density. A textured crop or a tapered fade keeps the silhouette clean and modern. For men with fuller gray hair, a structured, medium-length cut with defined styling works exceptionally well. Here's the most important tool you have: your voice in the barber's chair. Don't just say the usual, be specific. Tell your barber you want something that works with your hair's current density. Mention you want something modern and low maintenance. Ask them what they'd recommend for your face shape. A great barber will respect the specificity, and the result will show it. Habit number 1, not having a consistent skincare routine. The single habit that separates men who age well from men who don't. We've arrived at number 1, and this is the one that ties everything together. Every man you've ever looked at and thought, he looks incredible for his age, had this in common. Not a personal trainer, not an expensive wardrobe, not a full medicine cabinet of luxury products, a consistent, simple skincare routine, done every single day, without fail. Here's the brutal truth about what happens without it. Your skin loses roughly 1% of its collagen every year after 30. By 60, that's 30 years of collagen loss, compounded by sun exposure, environmental stress, dehydration, and neglect. The result is skin that doesn't just look older, it looks worn. And once that damage compounds, it is significantly harder to reverse. But here's the motivating part. It is never too late to start, and the routine doesn't have to be complicated. The 3-step rule, that's all it takes. Morning, cleanser, moisturizer with SPF, done. A gentle, non-stripping face wash removes overnight buildup. Your SPF moisturizer protects and hydrates throughout the day. Total time, 90 seconds. Night, cleanser, targeted serum or retinol, done. Retinol, vitamin A, is the most clinically proven anti-aging ingredient available without a prescription. Applied at night, it accelerates skin cell turnover, stimulates collagen production, and visibly reduces fine lines within 8-12 weeks of consistent use. Age is not the enemy, neglect is. And now you know exactly what to fix, how to fix it, and why it matters. These 8 habits, corrected consistently, don't just change how you look. They change how you feel walking into every room. They change how people respond to you. And they remind you that taking care of yourself is never vanity. It's self-respect. If this video added value, hit that like button. It helps more men find this content. Subscribe if you haven't already. We drop videos every week on men's grooming, style, and self-improvement. And watch this next video right here, because what we cover there might just be the other habit nobody warned you about. See you there.